Good evening, my dear students. Today I am over here to discuss about the chapter The Hack Driver, written by Sinclair Lewis. Sinclair Lewis' full name was Henry Sinclair Lewis, and he was born in the year 1886 in Minnesota. His father was a country doctor. Henry Sinclair Lewis was the first American novelist to receive the Nobel Prize for Literature. This chapter, The Hack Driver, has two main central characters in it. One is the lawyer or the narrator himself, and another is Oliver Lutkins. The narrator or the young lawyer is appointed in a big firm, but he was given the dirty and the dangerous job of serving the summons. On the other hand, Oliver Lutkins, he was a very dishonest man who tricks others and receives summons for it. He is also a great storyteller. Once the lawyer got an opportunity to go to a village named New Mullions to serve the summon to Oliver Lutkins. When he went to the village station, he was met by a very friendly hack driver. The hack driver introduced himself as Bill Magnuson to the lawyer. The lawyer told him that he had came to the village in search of Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver told lawyer that he will help him in searching Oliver Lutkins in the village. They both started searching Oliver Lutkins. They searched Oliver in the Fritz. They searched Oliver in the Gustav's barber shop, in the pool room, but unfortunately, they cannot find Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer became very sad. Afterwards, in the evening, they went to the Oliver's house. There, they met Oliver's mother, who chased both the men with a hot iron rod. They both ran away. The lawyer ends up paying for 6 hours to the hack driver. The lawyer returned back to the city empty-handed, which made his chief very angry and infuriated. The next day, chief sends the lawyer back to New Mullions village along with a man who knew Oliver Lutkins very well. As soon as the lawyer reached the village, he introduced that man to the hack driver as Bill Magnuson. When the man saw the hack driver, he at once recognized him and told the lawyer that this hack driver is Oliver Lutkins. The lawyer was very much embarrassed that he was being made a fool by the cart driver or the hack driver who introduced himself with the fake name Bill Magnuson. Actually, he was only Oliver Lutkins, whom the lawyer was in search for to serve the summon. Oliver Lutkins or the hack driver was laughing when he was being serving with the summon. And the lawyer, he was really very sad. But lastly, his job was done and he served the summon to Oliver Lutkins. With this, the chapter ends here. I hope you like this chapter. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day. Thank you.